Hazrat Ali considered greed as al-amalo la tantahi. Desires don't come to end. La yu'abul mar'u bi ta'khiri haqqihi. If someone is late in his right, then he can't be blamed. Innama yu'abu man akhadha ma laysa lahu. But fault is that a person seizes the right of another. Hazrat Ali said to his companion Daud Zarmi as, Ya Daudo innal harama la yanma. O Daud, haram never increases. Wa innama lam yubarak lahu fi. If it grows, there is no blessing in it. Wa in anfaqahu lam yujar alay. If it is spent in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will not be rewarded. وَمَا خَلْفَهُ كَانَ زَادُهُ إِلَى النَّارِ. And whatever is left behind from it is the material of the way to hell for him. According to Surah An-Nisa, ayat number 32, وَلَا تَتَمَنَّوْا مَا فَضَّلَ اللَّهُ بِهِ بَعْضَكُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ. And don't wish for that by which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made some of you exceed others. فَإِنَّ ابْتِغَاءَ الْفَضْلِ مِنَ السُّنَّةِ. Seeking sustenance is a sunnah. وَالْإِجْمَالَ فِي الطَّلَبِ مِنَ الْإِفَّةِ. Getting sustenance in the best way is chastity. وَلَيْسَ الْإِفَّةُ بِدَافِعَةِ الرِّزْقِ. Because chastity doesn't stop sustenance. وَلَا الْحِرْصُ بِجَالِبٍ فَضْلًا. And greed doesn't pull it towards itself. Often the stumbling of intellects is due to greed. Izharul hirsi yurisul faqr. Expressing greed leads to poverty. Al-hirsu mufakkaratun. Greed makes a pauper. La haya'a li harisin. A greedy person is indecent. Man sharahat nafsuhu zalla muwassira. He who is greedy is humiliated despite prosperity.